This is what we call the AY project. This lower board is an Arduino Uno, and this is a shield that was designed here at UMass Amherst. And what we've done is we've brought this 1980s video arcade sound chip back to a useful existence. The microprocessors that used to communicate with this in the 80s is no longer available, and had a very strange address bus, data bus combination. So we've recreated that with a serial peripheral interface, serial to parallel converter, and that talks to the Arduino. So basically we have a MIDI synthesizer that gives you authentic 80s video arcade sounds just off any MIDI source. So you can try your hand there.
Wow.
Now that's velocity sensitive, so if you press hard, it's going to be louder. So.
Sounds like something from a bowling alley.
It is a 3-voice synthesizer in this chip. This chip was made by General Instruments, which became Microchip, which is one of the largest microcontroller companies in the world. That's the AY project. That was again, one of these projects for first, second, and third year students to get their hands involved in a project before the senior year.
Right.